Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to Mikats TV. My name is Michael and today I show you how it's easy to bake a cake. Today I bake a cake with chocolate and yes, let's start. Don't forget to set a like. Here we start now with the cake. It's a chocolate cake. We need 3 eggs. This is flour, milk and butter. We need 5 tablespoons of this milk, 150 gram butter, and then after, if you finish this, you give the chocolates here, the flocons of the chocolate, and if you ready, you can put it in the hot place, I mean here. Now we start with the 3 eggs. We put it in the flour. Then the milk, 5 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And we put 150 gram. This is the half of this butter. It's easy. It's not easy to make it from here, but it's okay. Now I have a blender, so I start to mix this. Okay, now it's mixed, and now I give this seconds of the chocolate inside. Now it's inside, and now I mix it again. Now we put the dark here, and if it's finished, we put it in the oven. Okay, now this is the cake with chocolate. We put this for 60 minutes in the oven. So now we put it in the oven for 60 minutes. I use 180 degrees. Now we have 11 o'clock. At 12 o'clock it's finished. This is a chocolate. You have to cook this 10 minutes. And then you have to wait, let them cool down around about 10 minutes, and then you can open this and put this on the cake. This is the chocolate. It's finished. Okay, now we check the cake in the oven. It looks very good. We have 20 minutes. This is the chocolate after 10 minutes cooking. You have to press it a little bit. Okay, now the cake is finished. This is a cake. Now we can open the chocolate glaze. Now we can put it here. Now this is chocolate. You have to let be cold this. So it's ready. This is a chocolate cake. And now you have to cooling down this, and then you can start to eat this. Look, this is the chocolate cake if it's ready. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see how easy it's to bake a cake. At first I have started with flour and baking powder, and after that I have mixed this with 3 eggs and milk and butter and chocolate flour with a blender you have seen. And yes, around about 5 minutes I have mixed this, and then I put it in the oven 60 minutes, 1 hour with 180 degrees. And after that I start to cook 10 minutes the chocolate glazer in hot water. After that I open this if it's colder and put it on the cake. And yes, and now it's ready. I have to wait if it's cold and I can eat. I hope you like the video, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel Mikers TV. Thanks for watching and send a like, and I say goodbye. My name is Michael. See you soon.